Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about a website which I use a lot in class. I teach nursing English at a secondary school, and we use a lot this website, inabody.com. You click here. This is the web. Okay, it's a web we use to learn all the language related to anatomy. So this is the presentation of the web, in which on the left you can find different systems you can check and learn. For example, you've got a skeletal system, muscular system, the cardiovascular system, and if you want to go deeper into the information of these different systems, you just have to click on one of them, and you get one of these images in which you have the general view of our body, but then you have different small green spots which indicate each of the parts you can read here on the left. So going from the more general to the more specific, we have head and neck, which is just represented with a green circle on the image, and then chest and upper back, pelvis and lower back, arm and hand, and leg and foot. You have the option of studying the general vocabulary on this part of the website, because on the left you have the names of the different parts, and on the right you get one description, a very deep, specific description of the main characteristics of each of these parts. Okay, so this is one of the ways our students can learn the names of these different parts of the body, and at the same time learn and remember about all the data and all the information, important information they have to remember about anatomy. What I like about this page is the fact that our students can learn by observing the image, but also by moving the image themselves. They have the option of going to the 3D rotate and zoom option. It takes a few seconds to load, but then the students here can choose how to move the module so they can observe the right position of every member of the different parts of the different organs we need to study. Okay, they can, for example, here we are dealing with the skeletal system, but they can choose any other system of the ones explained in the web. And for example, if you keep your option here in 3D, what you get is, for example, in head and bones, you have the name of the bone, so you point with your mouse and you get the name of the bone on the left. Okay, whereas on the right you're just reading the description and the main characteristics. But if you go to the 3D version of the same part of our skeleton, what they have, we need to wait a little bit. What we have is you click on the bone, and so you can read the name in English, and if you click here you can listen to the right pronunciation of the bone. So our students are learning at the same time what is the position of that bone or that muscle or whatever we're having a look at, and what's the name, what is the right pronunciation, and all the details by means of reading the description they find in the 2D interactive version. Okay, so it's very easy, but it's very complete. It's got lots of information for anatomy, and students love it because it's easier to remember names and spellings if they can see it written on the skeleton and if they can listen to the right pronunciation of it. Okay, I hope it's going to be useful for some of you. Thanks. Bye.